we got our hole drilled here, and we're up about 2.5 inches or so, maybe a little more. So we're going to mount the stick in here and let it set up. So I'm using an 1.25 inch stick, which is going to go in here. Put a little around here. Go. So now we got our stick mounted. So I'm going to let this set up a little bit, then we'll drill our hole here for our string that's going to go up through here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.